Kia ora. Welcome to Sasha's Playtime. Today it's my first time making a video. Today it's just Sunday and I'm going to make a fluffy slime, and my name is Sasha, and don't forget to like, share, come on to Sasha's Playtime. Okay, so let's go. So today this is sparkly glue, golden color. It is special glue. Oops. Where do I add this? Excuse me. How much do I add? 1, 2. That's it. This is my shaving foam, and I got it from my slime because I want to make it super fluffy. Here it is. Why not cut it? It's enough. Is it enough?
Yeah.
We can put it properly later. And this is my, what's that called?
Sequence.
Sequence. What do I have to do? Open like this? Oh, what do I have to do? Pillar. Oh, sequence. Oh, I couldn't do it. How much should I add? All of it? Oops, I think that's a lot. It's like this is good because I use all of it. I think that's nice because I like sequins as well. Do I have to mix it? Okay, mix. My slime's going to be so good. It's even going to look like real sheer slime. My slime is going to look so good. What? This is going to be so sparkly. This is my magic liquid. And here it is inside. It's clear. I'm going to need some more. Like this. Time for a car. Hi, this is my red color. And it's, I think that's 2. Sorry. This is my red. This is my red glitter. Just a lot. Do I have to mix it? Because I'm going to add lots of. Oh, it's going to look so nice, doesn't it, Mummy? Do you like the slime? I don't need a little bit more. Wow. Whoa! Where? Oh, okay. Here. This? All of it? John Jacob Pirate Nana's put. What? Red and blue and pink and silver. Oh, silly me, clumsy. Can we clean that up? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, thanks, Mama. But I'm very silly, huh? My hands has glue slime. That's okay. I'll clean my hands. But how was this? Just fine. It's going to be so prettier now. Green. What's all in? Oh, again. And the sound. What? Just have red and green and silver and pink. So and blue and good is good. Good, good, good. Wow. It shouldn't stick, but it's not slime yet. It is feeling like slime though. It does for the mixing part. So now I have to just take the. Why is you not stick? Do I do it? Yeah. Ah, do that so. In Pirate Nana Smith. Oh, da, da, da. I think my slime is the best. Ow. Stretchy. Mix it. Why is it sticking to my hand? Because my hands is different now. Mix and mix. It's sticky. So sticky. Like necking. I think this is I think it's the new recipe of slime oatmeal. Is it a slime oatmeal now? Because it's sticky. Oatmeal is also supposed to be sticky, so I think it's an oatmeal. What? Dawn, Jekyll, and a Sabbath. Pie with John, Jekyll, Manna Smith, Jam, Jack, and Nelson. John, Shake, Jam. What? That was going to be more red. But, now I have to mix around my hands and my hands are got to red. It's going to be a birthday party. Isn't it going to be a birthday party, Mama? A slime party. Hey, my slime is cleaning. How cool. Very cool. Or no? But... what? It's also plaid. It's red as well. My hands are red as well. But I have to say, it's just for colors. My hands will turn red. Then I'll be a red girl. Then I have to take a bath. Oh, so sticky. Should I leave it or should I put it in your nose? Don't be silly. I'm not going to do that. Whoops. That. Yum, yum, yum. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bye.